A friend got mad at me for smelling his sister's underwear. I don't know if it was because she was still wearing them or because the rest of the family was there. Either way, it made the rest of the funeral very awkward. No, get the boat. Teacher, can you count backwards from 100 for me? 6-year-old me. Do 100, 59, 58. Teacher, that is incorrect. Who taught you that? My microwave. When it's morning and people are using words and expecting things from me. Big mood. How the fuck that little voice in my head know all of the lyrics when I don't? Auntie. Me doing 20 minutes of cardio to fix all the junk food I have been eating these past few weeks. The sport versus the congratulations. Spend my whole life being a good girl to find out ninjas love hoes. SMH. Pulling up to a ninja office in a trench coat with lingerie under is my ultimate fantasy. You all don't even talk to ninjas with offices. Bats became the most hated animal. Rats. Sal. When you try to balance a healthy lifestyle with a busy life. My dad making a dad joke. Me opens literally any website. Cookies. Allow us. When you use your fake ID to get into a club and the bouncer looks at you funny. When you have to read the same page over and over cause you keep zoning out. Decided to put a coin in for every time I get upset over something incredibly minor. Started 2 hours ago. You have heard of Elf on the Shelf. Now get ready for Obama. When you are home alone doing weird shit and you hear a key in the door. Just text me when you are here. There is no need to knock and get the dog involved. Lil Nas X, can I please take that hat off and wear something else? Columbia Records manager, put on the goddamn hat. Getting to sleep peacefully, my body doing that weird falling thing. A man draws a gun in a dark alley and asks for your wallet. You begrudgingly obey. He throws it on the ground, shoots it till it speeches, and runs to you. You are safe now. Mimics right, I know right. He scoffs, he laughs, I laugh, we both laugh, the gun laughs. History teacher. So today we are gonna talk about the Greek gods, kids who read Percy Jackson. How ninjas sleep after their life for no good reason. I donna did my $1,200 check come in, you tell me. My friend tried to take a nice pic at the mall. Fashion rats, I want one. I think everyone in England is just voice acting or something. I don't think people actually sound like that. Hey op, can I politely ask which country you are from? Peepa, big boota, say something racist. Hey train wreck, this isn't your station. Who's turned in? It's final week STFU. Billish, gets off Twitter and get it together. Me looking at my Amazon spending during quarantine. I am never going to financially recover from this. I doctor 1 switches LAN or 2. Choose which is better. 1 switches LAN again or 2. Me sweats nervously. When he's showing you a funny video on Facebook, then Pizza Hut texts him, I miss you. When your body wants to rest, but your mind wants to work out. To be honest, I don't know you, but you're chill IG.